How to delete chats or character in Talkie Soulful AI. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you will be able to delete a conversation that you made with a character. For example, we have delete over here, so let's say hello. And now this chat is going to be recorded in our contacts. So if you view our contacts over here beside home at the bottom, you will be able to see that Lilith is now part of the people or part of the characters that we have chatted. So you could view your message and conversation once again if you select them. And if you want to delete them, you can simply long press and click delete and it will disappear. So let's try it with another character. So let's say hello or help, I guess. And now we have this. Then let's go chat another person. So let's say hello again. And since we chatted with two characters, if we view our contacts, as you can see, we now have two characters over here that we have chatted. To delete one, simply click on delete and delete again the other one, just like that. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.